Now I'd like to welcome Rita Bahuguna Joshi. I know you want to come back to the debate in just a minute, but T.R. Raghunandan, advisor of the Accountability Initiative of the Centre for Policy Research, is joining us on the debate this evening. Mr. Raghunandan, what are the big issues which are now emerging from the Durga Shakti case? And do you think that the central government can afford to be silent for much longer and do nothing?
Well, there are really two big issues that are emerging, and this is actually symptomatic of a big worsening trend. See, what is happening is that, number one, political parties are getting polarized and honest officers can get hurt in the crossfire. And that is something that you're seeing now. The second point is the nexus of business interests and political interests into vicious mafias. There's a situation of hyper-corruption that's happening. Now, it's extremely dangerous for a single officer to take on these organized gangs. And the sad part is that the administration is not actually, well, here we are seeing an exception here where the administration has actually rallied around her. But there have been countless instances in the past where single officers have had to face the music alone. You see, the whole problem is that honesty is an individual sport like golf, whereas corruption is a team sport like football. So people network very closely in corrupt mafias and they can hunt down single officers. So I think this is an inflection point if the bureaucracy begins to put a little bit of aggression into honesty. My own experience has been that honest officers are very honest, but they also tend to be very meek and they don't network, they don't support each other. And I hope that this is an instance where...
She's a young officer, Mr. Raghunandan,
because it's very, very clear.
I think it's the Congress party which has to come in. As my question goes once again to Rita Bahuguna Joshi, the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. Don't throw the ball back.
First, let me say to whatever Navedan you have said, that for the past 10 years, especially 10 years I am saying specifically, the mining mafia has been ruling the roost in UP, whether it was the BSP government or the SP government. And it's not only mining of the sand, it's also quarrying of stones. It's going on as a big business. There is a huge nexus between the managers of the government. The bureaucrats are also part of it.
But if you know
since this girl had stood up strongly, she has become a catalyst of a debate, and she's trying to pull the attention. She has pulled the attention of the entire nation.
No, she's not trying to pull the attention. She's only trying to do her job. She's only trying to do her job. But why doesn't the rest of the...
The bureaucrats in UP have also been a part of this nexus.
No,
so it's good that at least one has stood up. And now a lot of thinking should go into it and it should be busted.
Miss Joshi, all these are general comments. I'm sorry, Miss Joshi.
Every Indian is
Miss Joshi, you know, I have great respect for you, but you also know that you are making general comments. And we have asked you the question 50 times. And the person who has the power...
What is general? What is... Well, I told you specifically, I'm for the party.
The Prime Minister has to write 2 lines tonight. He has to write a 2-line letter. I am revoking the suspension of this officer. As per the IAS rules, he can do that.
The DOPT has taken cognizance. It has asked for a report, and I think you should give them time.
No, when will it happen? When will the DOPT report come?
This you have to ask the minister, because I'm
no, but the minister is the Prime Minister.
So I'm putting
I can't ask the Prime Minister.
I can't speak.
I am asking the Prime Minister, but the Prime Minister is in charge of DOPT.
No, you're asking the wrong. No, you're directing the question to the wrong person. It's the DOPT which has to answer.
But the DOPT minister is the Prime Minister.
Of the DOPT is the minister of the DOPT.
Who is the DOPT?
State minister. He must.
No, this is passing the buck. You see, the situation is much more grave than that. Meenakshi Lekhi, your response to what I think the repeated parrying of my question here by Rita Bahuguna Joshi, Mr. Meenakshi Lekhi.
See, the SP and the Congress are two sides of the same coin so far as running of the government is concerned. They need them in the center, so center supports them in the state, and they would do nothing which disturbs the equilibrium. And in this particular case, we will see that some people will speak different language, the others in the government will speak a different language. So that is the policy of the Congress party. So under UPA they speak one language, and as Congress they speak another language. Make the right noises. It's your choice which way you want to hear or you want to pick up. So speaking in folk tongue on every issue, be it Butler House, be it this case, everywhere. As a strategy, they do this. And I think it's time the media and the people start understanding and expose this. Because there has to be one line of the party. There cannot be 20 lines of the party. And if somebody speaks out of the line, has to say that this person is speaking out of the line.
I am not a spokesperson for the government. I am a spokesperson for the party. You understand this? You are such an educated person.
No, I'm sorry.
How can any party spokesperson speak for the government? I've been listening to this double speak.
No.
This is the right way. The party can never speak for the government. How can I speak for the government? It's the government is a separate
I'm sorry.
body.
So you can have
I'm a
different
political
stands.
party.
You can have
I'm a
Oh,
spokesperson
no, I find it very
for the
interesting.
But the same
And as far as
person...
the-
No, so you
same
disagree
person
with the government?
acts like your
No,
so no, then-
not like your spokesperson. He
Who
hardly behaves
criminalizes
like
the politics
the
in this
INB
country?
minister.
No.
And you are the best. You could be the best
sorry,
second
you
side
are
of the
the one.
coin
You are
to
the one
Samajwadi.
who's
Because it
communalizing.
suits both of you.
You are the one
It
who's
suits both of
communalizing the
you
politics
to
because
talk
you're-
in communal
because you
terms.
are-
It
because
doesn't
you are
suit
supporting
Congress to
such a
talk in
party.
communal terms, please. It's always you who talks about it. So I
You
can
are
never be a part of
supporting-
that.
you are supporting a communal
you and
person.
For
You
votes,
are supporting a
for
communal
electoral
statement and you are
gain,
supporting such a
ma'am,
party.
for electoral
because you
gain,
need their
you
support
two
for
are the,
FDI.
You two are the two sides of the same coin.
Well,
So please don't say
you
this.
know, I have not forgotten.
Whatever I
have not forgotten. I have not forgotten the murder of IPS officer Ziaul Haq. I have not forgotten that case, and neither has the whole country. And I am telling you this, Mr. Siddiqui, you should ask your conscience today. Who killed Ziaul Haq? You should ask your conscience today. Which mafia is being supported by which political party to persecute a 29-year-old officer? And Mr. Siddiqui, don't mind, I'll tell you this. You have to be very weak.
No, the CBI
Very
is
cowardly.
The CBI is
You have to be very weak and very cowardly to take on a 28-year-old honest officer. You know, it just shows a lot of weakness.
You are pointing. I know you are pointing to which person, but the person
Which
to whom
person?
you are pointing out has got the clean chit from the CBI.
Wonderful. How do you know?
And
How do you know? The CBI called you? The CBI called you?
No.
The CBI dutifully called you and confirmed that Raja Bhaiya got a clean chit? How do you have inside information of the CBI? Now, how do you have inside information of the CBI? Well, what is this? Please tell me, how do you know? How do you know he got a clean chit? That means you were informed in advance. It's part of your deal. Raja Bhaiya gets a clean chit.
Through your esteemed...
Raja Bhaiya gets a clean chit and the center does not act. Raja Bhaiya gets a clean chit and in turn the center does not act.
The CBI
Raja Bhaiya gets a clean chit, in turn the center does not act against Durga Shakti. This is the irony of our times.
No.
Mr. Siddiqui, you've been completely exposed on this. Completely exposed on this.
No.
Sir, I'm telling you, completely exposed. You have been completely, I'm sorry to say, completely exposed on this.
We are not exposed. I just want to say...
I want to get back to Anupam Kher tonight.
is doing a great thing.
No, sir, you're not doing a great thing. Don't give yourself a certificate on television tonight. Anupam Kher.
We are doing.
Sir, you have the implicit protection of the center tonight. But at one point of time, even the center will realize that it is futile to protect you when you are encouraging the mafia in the way that you are. Anupam Kher, closing comments. Anupam Kher, TSR Subramaniam, let's get you back into the debate. Yes, Anupam Kher, anything you'd like to say to the Congress or to the SP tonight?
I think it's pathetic that they only think about themselves. Nobody is thinking about the country, which is the saddest part of it. I heard Ms. Bahuguna talking about it, that this is the process. It's like going to a government hospital or a municipal corporation or an electricity bill. When they don't want to do their work, they want to say, go to this officer, go to that window, go to this person, first get this clearance. But if they want to do their work, it will happen within like this. The point is, they are all playing safe. It's as simple as that. Because they are all wanting
but they are
to stick
testing
to
the
that
patience. No, they are testing people's patience, aren't
they?
they?
Will ruin this. They will ruin any fabric of honesty of this country. They will ruin it completely.
Well, if it is...
Because this greed of power is so powerful that they will not think about what are the moral values, what makes Indians proud of their values.
I think if today the center were to say that for backing an honest officer we are willing to lose the support of the Mulayam Singh Yadav government, and if the center were to say that if required let the government fall but we will not compromise, we will not let the mafia rule over or intimidated
frightened
young
people,
officer,
Arnab.
lot of
They're
people
all
would stand up
frightened.
and actually say that is genuinely good politics. But tonight, unfortunately, the whole system has come together against this young girl. TSR Subramaniam, closing thoughts from you.
Arnab, I think was it Mehta said it's an inflection point. I do hope it is inflection point. It's a huge system problem. What the Durga case has brought out is that politics is now very big business. Vora in 1993 talked of the politician, mafia, bureaucrat nexus. We are seeing that coming to fruition. It is now, so now the system problem has to be addressed. If it is not addressed, we are going to be in serious. Hopefully, if the bureaucracy, if the government doesn't address, sadly we have to depend on the judiciary to come and address it.
Yes.
We need transparency in management of the cadres. These are not private servants. These are not domestic servants. These are public servants responsible to the people. We want
आखिरी सवाल।
transparency in postings, transfers, departmental actions,
एक सवाल।
tenures, and Article 31 and Article 14. I think if the government doesn't do it,
Absolutely.
somebody else will do it.
Well, I really have been extending this debate. I see more and more hands raised out there. Meenakshi Lekhi, before I come to you, I want one last question to... Yes, okay, Mr. Raghunandan, 2 minutes more. Raghunandan ji, go ahead.
Yeah, Arnab, just one point I want to add to Mr. TSR Subramaniam's suggestions, that I also think that the bureaucracy should rally behind this girl. It has not happened in the past. That is beginning to happen. And I think that kind of almost, if I may say so, a revolt in the ranks, I think will put a lot of sense into politicians' heads.
Absolutely.
I think the bureaucracy should now show
Mr.
that they are
Siddiqui,
not pushovers.
Mr. Siddiqui, one more question.
Yes.
Mr. Siddiqui, when will your government file a case against Shivpal Yadav? Shivpal Yadav, I think is Mulayam Singh Yadav's brother. When will your government, Mr. Siddiqui, file a criminal case against Shivpal Yadav? Because Shivpal Yadav said something. 1 minute, let me complete why they should file a case. Because Shivpal Yadav said after the demolition of a wall, there was a riot-like situation in the state, now in the village. Now it has been proven that there was no riot-like situation. Hence, it is proven that Shivpal Yadav was making up facts which are very dangerous to the communal harmony of the state and to that area. Therefore, logically, if such a factually wrong comment is being made, Meenakshi Lekhi, don't you think action should be taken against Shivpal Yadav first for spreading lies?
That's what I'm
What
saying.
he said,
That's
said,
exactly
what he
I
said
was
is-
going
No,
to
sir,
say.
Meenakshi Lekhi, what do you think?
Making false statement and provoking people into indulging in such riot-like situation. So there can be a case of peace, breach of peace is a small offence, but a larger offence will be spoiling the communal harmony of a particular area.
ये तो बहुत बड़ा केस है.
That should be framed against.
ये तो बहुत बड़ा केस है.
And not only this, I was saying the cabinets can come and go, but bureaucracy stays on forever. You can't play this kind of game with them.
नहीं, तो क्या आजकल ऐसा है कि मुख्यमंत्री के परिवार को खुली छूट है, कुछ भी कहे, कुछ भी करे? Have you given a free rein to the chief minister and his family that they can say and do what they want, Mr. Siddiqui?
चीफ मिनिस्टर को क्लियर मैंडेट हमारी स्टेट ने दिया है, यूपी ने दिया है.
या कुछ भी करे, खुली छूट है.
और
कह दीजिए कि कम्युनल सिचुएशन है जहां पे नहीं है.
He is doing good.
शिवपाल यादव ने जो कहा है.
Why are you not? आप शिवपाल जी की बात देख रहे हैं.
मैं शिवपाल जी की बात पे आप जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे शिवपाल जी की बात.
मैं जवाब दे तो रहा हूँ क्योंकि LIU की रिपोर्ट के बेसिस पे उन्होंने ये बात कही है.
किसके रिपोर्ट पे?
जो आई है उसी पे हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने, हमारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने उसी के ऊपर एक्शन लिया है.
डीएम की रिपोर्ट है, एसडीएम की रिपोर्ट है. आपको मैन्युफैक्चर दूसरी रिपोर्ट के बारे में आप कुछ और, आप कल तो कुछ भी एविडेंस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. आपके पास सरकार है.
अभी जो आपको बताया गया जो फैक्ट्स हैं वो ये फैक्ट्स हैं.
Well, I don't know.
इस बेसिस पे ये सस्पेंड हुआ है और इसके ऊपर अब राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए. इस मुद्दे को यही बंद कर देना चाहिए.
मुद्दा तब बंद होगा, मुद्दा तब बंद होगा. सुधींद्र भदौरिया कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. मुद्दा तब बंद होगा जब आप माफी मांगेंगे, रीइंस्टेट करेंगे, और जब आप कहेंगे कि जिस तरह से हमने गलती की और कभी हम नहीं करेंगे इस तरह से गलती, और झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे और कम्युनल सिचुएशन क्रिएट नहीं करेंगे. सुधींद्र भदौरिया जी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपसे.
ये बचाया गया है। इंडिया अभी किस दौर से गुजरता आपको मालूम नहीं है।
They are trying
उसको बचाया
to
गया है।
unnecessarily raise this bogey of communalism. There is peace and harmony in that region. You have gone to the village, you have talked to a lot of people, your cameramen have gone and taken pictures, lot of electronic media. So please, for heaven's sake, don't communalize Uttar Pradesh. Let people of UP live in peace and
Absolutely.
law and order, which you have completely failed
We are
in.
not communalizing, Mr. Bhadoria. We are not communalizing, but we have saved the.
Law should be
Okay.
followed. If at all there is any
communal
unauthorized construction, that should be taken off anyways.
I will not, and today Mr. Siddiqui says ये मुद्दे को छोड़ देना चाहिए। सिद्दीकी जी, ये मुद्दा हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
देखिए, ये गवर्नमेंट
ये मुद्दा हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
का मामला है।
ये मुद्दा हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
सस्पेंशन एंड प्रमोशन।
सिद्दीकी जी, सिद्दीकी जी, इस मुद्दे को हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे। We will not leave this issue. We will not leave it. Thank you for joining me. We will not leave it, Mr. Siddiqui. You want us to leave it? We will not leave it. Thank you for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.